All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're finishing up this salad. Super quick, super simple. Down to our last four. Here's how we're going to do. Got our candied walnuts that we did a little bit of brown sugar. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. In love. I'm so in love. We're going to pop those right on top right there. Shoot a crostini in. That gives you the option because maybe I don't want croutons with my salad. Turkey baster. Look at that. Now you can distribute your balsamic any which way you like. So, turkey baster. Look at that. Kind of hit everything back off again. And our last and final process. Some fresh crumbled cheese on top. Take your pick or preference. Today we went with gorgonzola. Sharp cutting edge to it. Let me just get this out the way right here. Right here. You see that? Get a shot of that. That's for you. That's for you. Right there. Mixed greens, organically grown, tossed lightly in balsamic vinaigrette. Hit it off with the candied walnuts. A little bit of gorgonzola, crumbled cheese. Have the Bosco pears. Look at that. See that right there? See that? That's what I love. Look at all that color. So, let me tell you, it's been my pleasure today. Expert Village, thank you so much for coming into my kitchen and allowing me to show you what I'm inspired by. So, you can check more recipes like this out on my catering website, which is Ciaobella Catering. That's CIAOBELLA Catering, all one word.com. Check it out. We have salads like this, a lot more great fun stuff. It's been a pleasure. I really appreciate this. I just want to give a few shout outs to a few people who've made a very important impact to my life. One is Chef Ray Hayes over at McCormick and Schmick, Chef Nick, Chef Justin, Chef Pete. Thank you so much. Chef Nico and Chef James Oakley. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.